Raider I-III Remastered black screen issue stuck on black screen on PC. Epic Games. Najak 1. Restart the game in PC. Close the game completely. Restart your computer. Launch the game again from Epic Games Launcher. Check if black screen is fixed. Number 2. Verify game files in Epic Games Launcher. Open Epic Games Launcher. Go to Library. Click the 3 dots beside the game. Select Manage. Click Verify. Wait for repair process to complete. 3. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut, select Run as Administrator, allow permissions if prompted. Test the game again. 4. Update graphics drivers, press Windows X, open Device Manager, expand display adapters, right-click your GPU, select Update Driver, restart PC after update. Number 5. Disable full screen optimization, right-click Game Executable File, select Properties, open compatibility, check, disable full screen optimizations, click apply, launch game again. Number 6, switch between windowed and full screen mode, launch the game, press Alt-Enter, switch display modes, check if game appears normally. Number 7, disable overlay applications, disable Discord overlay, turn off Xbox Game Bar, close MSI Afterburner Riva Tuner, relaunch the game. 8. Install latest DirectX and Visual C++, download latest DirectX runtime, install Visual C++ redistributables, restart your PC, start the game again. 9. Change graphics settings, open NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD software, set game to use dedicated GPU, restore default graphics settings, launch game again. Number 10. Reinstall the game, uninstall Tomb Raider I-III Remastered, restart your PC, reinstall the game from Epic Games Launcher, launch after installation completes.